Happy 4th of July, Mr. Schneider.
Hey, Michael. Whoa, that's a huge flag you have there.
God bless America.
God bless America.
It's great to see the whole Schneider's crew celebrating.
We're a traditional, hard-working family.
We tell it to you straight.
Like Americans.
The other guys talk about being proud to be Americans.
Then they install an air conditioner made in Mexico, China, Japan.
Shipping American jobs elsewhere to save a buck.
It really is a darn shame.
Some things are more important than money.
Like supporting your country as much as possible.
Right.
That's why all Schneider's air conditioning units
are assembled right here in the good old U.S. of A.
So let's all raise a glass to the great United States of America.
And to all our veterans and active duty servicemen.
Unfurl that flag, Michael.
Yes, sir, Mr. Schneider. Happy 4th of July, everyone.
283-8525.
Schneider's 1 hour. On time, day or night.
283-8525.